Hell yeah, man. Dude, this thing's pretty nice, man. Not a bad piece at all. Pretty nice job. Much better than plastic junk. Freaking jank. I knocked the converter bolts out anyways, man. That way I got the trans, and that way when I get it up in the air, I'll just... That way I can get all the bolts out of underneath in the pan and shit, so... There's plenty of other stuff to do, man. Yeah, this oil cooler is leaking oil, and I wasn't sure if both sides of it use the same gasket or not. But in the book it says, it refers like, oh, number 3 O-ring, and it points to both of them like it's the same one. I'm just going to take it apart and make sure. Sweet, man. I'll tell you what, I am never freaking using an engine stand again without a leveler, man. Oh my god. That is just so beautiful. Well, the converter decided to be a butthole and it stayed on there, but at least I didn't get puked on with fluid. I was going to change the seal because I'm going to drain it anyways. Yeah, man, not too bad. Sweet. Oh, yeah. Should be a crusty bitch for a long time. Damn, dude. Rear cover's like, yo. Careful pulling that off, man, for sure. Alright, this is nice. Plate's locked in right there. But, get to it. Focus, you fuck. Huh. Yeah, I'll pull the back cover, or the upper one there. Cleaned her off there, and whew, feeling pretty good, man. Feeling pretty good. Yep. Got debris everywhere. Frickin' debris.